SC Pro Series automatic filling line. It minimizes the need for an operator thanks to the packaging setting that can be programmed and recorded. With a single button, it can be switched to different packages in seconds without the need for mechanical adjustment. It provides remote access with its built-in Ethernet feature, and possible malfunctions can be detected and solved within minutes. With a capacity starting from 900 pieces up to 2,500 pieces per hour, a filling range of 250 milliliters and 5 liters, and a 7-inch touchscreen, the SC Pro Series automatic filling line will reduce your operational load and provide you with maximum efficiency and productivity.